You gonna smile real big so we can see your third tooth? Can we see it? Can Mommy see it? Where is it? In there? In your mouth? It's right up here. Right up there. Can Mommy see it? Can you show everybody? No? You don't want to show everybody? Come on, let me see it. What? Okay, maybe later. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye.